Adversity has the same effect on a man that severe training has on the pugilist. It reduces him to his fighting weight. Opportunity to find deeper powers within ourselves come when life seems most challenging. In the depth of winter, I finally learned that within me there lay an invincible summer. And once the storm is over, you won't remember how you made it through, how you managed to survive. You won't even be sure whether the storm is really over. But one thing is certain. When you come out of the storm, you won't be the same person who walked in. If you're going through hell, keep going. The beauty of the soul shines out when a man bears with composure one heavy mischance after another, not because he does not feel them, but because he is a man of high and heroic temper. Success is to be measured not so much by the position that one has reached in life, as by the obstacles which he has overcome. Fire is the test of gold, adversity of strong men. There is a saying in Tibetan, tragedy should be utilized as a source of strength. No matter what sort of difficulties, if we lose our hope, that's our real disaster. Brave men rejoice in adversity, just as brave soldiers triumph in war. I hated every minute of training, but I said, don't quit. Suffer now and live the rest of your life as a champion. All the adversity I've had in my life, all my troubles and obstacles, have strengthened me. You may not realize it when it happens, but a kick in the teeth may be the best thing in the world for you. We must embrace pain and burn it as fuel for our journey. Hardships often prepare ordinary people for an extraordinary destiny. Little minds are tamed and subdued by misfortune, but great minds rise above them. Although the world is full of suffering, it is full also of the overcoming of it.